I still see you in the morning light, in every dream that ends too quiet. The words I should have said back then still echo through my chest again. I built a world with half a heart, thinking time could play your part. But every road I try to mend still circles back to where we end. I thought forever was just a word, until I lost what I had heard. If I could love you again, I'd hold on tighter, I'd let you in. I'd keep the promises I let bend, and never run when storms begin. I'd choose your heart before my pride. I'd stay and fight instead of hide. If I could love you again, I'd never let it end. I still replay the way you smile, the quiet grace, that fragile style. I was too scared to really see the kind of love you gave to me. Now I walk through the years we lost, counting the cost of what it cost. And if the heavens gave one chance, I'd trade my peace for one last dance. I thought time could make me whole, but it just deepened what you stole. If I could love you again, I'd start from truth, not from pretend. I'd trace your tears until they end, and learn your heart, not just defend. I'd whisper things I left unsaid, and choose your soul instead of dread. If I could love you again, I'd love you till the end. I've learned that love is not control, it's letting go but keeping soul. And though I lost what could have been, you're still the calm inside my skin. If I could love you again, I'd be the man I wasn't then. No more fear, no more refrain, just every truth without the pain. And if my heart could try again, I'd find my way back to your hand. If I could love you again, I'd never let it end. If I could love you again, just once again.
This dance is called Love You Again, choreographed by Ria Vos. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, intermediate level, nightclub 2-step. There are 1 tag and 3 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, half turn to your left, right foot back, sweep your left facing 6, left foot, behind side, cross, unwind, half turn to your right, weight on your right foot facing 12, cross your left, point right foot to the side and angle body to the right. Right foot, rock back, recover side, left foot, behind side. 1/8 right, left foot forward, facing 130. Section 2, chase, full turn to your left. Right foot forward, pivot half turn left, right foot back, sweep your left, round back, left, right, quarter turn to your left, lunge to the left, hands across your chest, facing 1030. 3/8 to your right to 6 o'clock, recover back to your right foot and hit your left, 3/8 to your right, now you're facing 6, left foot back and drag your right, release both hands forward, right foot, rock back, recover. Section 3, quarter turn to your left to 3 o'clock, right foot side, grind your left with toes up. Left foot behind side, cross, scissor step, side together, cross, 1/8 left to 130, press left foot forward, recover to your right and lift your left, left foot back, hook your right, jazz box, 3/8 to your right, right foot forward, quarter turn right, left foot back, 1/8 right, right foot side, facing 6 o'clock. Last section, precede walks. Left, right, chase full turn to your right, left foot forward, pivot half turn right, left foot back, sweep your right foot back, sweep your left foot back, sweep your right foot, rock back, recover. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. In this dance, there are 1 tag and 3 restarts. On wall 2 and wall 5, you will dance 26 counts, then restart the dance. On wall 2, you restart the dance facing 12. On wall 5, you restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 2 with count starts facing 6 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2. This is the end of 26 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. 1. On wall 7, you will dance 16 and count, then add a 2 count tag, then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 7 with count starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and. This is the end of 16 and counts. Now add a 2 count tag, precede walks, right, left. 1, 2. Then restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. 1. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.